Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for May 31st, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Welcome to your weekly AI career guide. Let's make this your best week yet. AI 101, Concept of the Week. What it is: reinforcement fine-tuning, a method that uses human feedback to refine an AI model's reasoning, making it better at complex tasks. Analogy. Think of it like a coach giving a player specific feedback after each play. The player adjusts their strategy to win more consistently. How it works. Start with a base model, like GPT-5, that already knows a lot. 2. Show the model a task and let it produce multiple answers. 3. Rank the answers by quality using human feedback, then update the model to favor higher-ranked answers. Real example. Microsoft Foundry now offers GPT-5 reinforcement fine-tuning at gated GA, meaning enterprise developers can fine-tune GPT-5 for their own specialized tasks. Why you should care. RFT is the skill behind customizing AI for specific industries, a top skill for AI engineers in 2026. AI jobs and skills this week. Machine learning engineer at big tech startup won $20,000 to $180,000. Skills: Python, TensorFlow, MLOps. AI data scientist at big tech startup $110,000 to $160,000. Skills: Statistics, SQL, NLP. AI product manager at big tech startup $130,000 to $200,000. Skills: Product strategy, AI ethics, cross-team collaboration. AI research scientist at big tech startup $150,000 to $220,000. Skills: deep learning, reinforcement learning, publications. Hottest role this week: AI product manager, with AI budget cutting becoming a major selling point. Gleans $300 million revenue. Companies need PMs who can balance AI investment with ROI. Reinforcement fine-tuning, RFT. Microsoft Foundry just made GPT-5 RFT available. Companies need engineers who can customize models for their data. Learn in 4 weeks AI observability. AWS released a comprehensive observability solution for LLMs on SageMaker. Skills in monitoring model quality and cost are in demand. Learn in 3 weeks. Multi-cloud AI. SoftBank's 75B investment in French data centers shows the shift toward multi-cloud AI infrastructure. Skills in deploying across Azure, AWS, and Google are hot. Learn in 6 weeks. If you learn one thing this week, reinforcement, fine-tuning, it's the method behind custom AI agents, and Microsoft Foundry just made it accessible. AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT writing and research, generate text, summarize articles, brainstorm ideas. For anyone. Free ChatGPT plus $20 per month. Claude writing and coding, excellent for long-form writing and code generation. For writers and developers. Free Claude Pro $20 per month. Gemini Productivity, Google's 24/7 assistant for inbox summaries, event planning, and everyday tasks. For busy professionals. Free Gemini Advanced $19.99 per month. GitHub Copilot Coding, AI pair programmer that suggests code in real time. For developers. Free for students, $10 per month for individuals. Note: new token-based billing causing controversy. DeepSeek, research and coding, open weight model for deep research and code generation. For advanced users. Free API usage fees. Best starting point, ChatGPT. It's the most versatile, easiest to use, and has a generous free tier. Start by asking it to explain any AI concept you're curious about. Cloud AI for developers, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for beginners thanks to Microsoft Foundry's new model catalog, Grok 4.3, DeepSeek V4, GPT-5 RFT. Free, $200 credits for first month. Start, go to portal.azure.com, create a resource, and deploy GPT-5 from the model catalog. AWS Bedrock, best for observability with Amazon SageMaker AI's new LLM monitoring dashboards. Free, 1-month free tier for Bedrock. Start, open AWS console, search Bedrock, and enable a model like Claude 3. Google Gemini API, best for building AI assistants with Gemini Spark's 24/7 automation. Free $300 credits for new users. Start. Visit makersuite.google.com and create your first Gemini API key. For a complete beginner today, start with Azure OpenAI because Microsoft Foundry's guided setup and $200 free credits make your first deployment seamless. Your single first action. Go to portal.azure.com, search Azure OpenAI, click Create, and choose GPT-5 from the model catalog. You'll have a working AI endpoint in 10 minutes. Career Action Plan. News. Coders are refusing to work without AI, but researchers warn this may hurt code quality. TechCrunch, May 29. Opportunity. Companies need engineers who can use AI responsibly, not just faster code, but better code. This creates demand for AI quality assurance specialists and prompt engineers who understand when to trust AI output. Your action. This week, take the free AI for Everyone course on Coursera by Andrew Nen. Focus on the module Building AI Projects. Then build one small project using GPT-5 RFT via Microsoft Foundry to practice responsible AI deployment. Result. Doing this puts you ahead of 80% of candidates for AI engineer roles who only know how to prompt, but not how to evaluate AI quality. Free resource of the week, AI for Everyone by Andrew Nen, coursera.org/learns AI for Everyone. What you'll learn. 1. What AI can and cannot build AI projects. 3. AI ethics and bias. Time 6 hours. Level beginner. Free yes. Why now? With companies becoming too AI pillock, CEO warns, understanding AI limitations is your superpower. Week in brief. Microsoft Foundry ships GPT-5 reinforcement, fine-tuning, and new models, Grok 4.3, DeepSeek V4. Beginners can now customize GPT-5 for their own projects. SoftBank invests 75 billion in French data centers, signals massive cloud AI infrastructure growth, creating jobs for cloud engineers. New token-based billing sparks developer backlash. A reminder that AI tools are changing fast. Diversifying your AI toolset is smart. Meta, developing an AI pendant, shows AI is moving into wearable hardware, a new niche for AI hardware engineers. Coders and AI. Researchers warn that relying too much on AI can hurt code quality. Your ability to review AI output is a career advantage. The one thing to remember this week: AI is evolving fast, but the human skill of evaluating AI output is becoming the most valuable skill in the job market. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're already ahead of 90% of job seekers just by dedicating 7 minutes each Sunday to your AI career. Next week, we'll dive into building your first AI portfolio project. See you then. Don't forget, subscribe and come back every Sunday at 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. What is your biggest AI question this week? Drop it below. I read every comment.